Hi guys, this is Ramu Samudrala. I am a front-end developer. Today I am going to teach you something about front-end technologies. Some people are confusing which technology they need to pick to learn first. In this video, I will clear that confusion. This video is especially for beginners. So let's start the video. So you are seeing front-end developer on my screen. This is the designation for who knows about entire front-end technologies. If you want to become a front-end developer, you have to learn some technologies. So let's see what are those technologies. So first one is HTML5. This is the first technology you have to learn because HTML is the skeleton of the web page. I will make it little bit clear for you. If you assume a web page is a human body, in that HTML is a skeleton part of human. Skeleton is a collection of bones, right? If bone is not there, then automatically skeleton will not there, right? So like that, a bone is nothing but HTML element. So collection of HTML elements is nothing but a web page. So HTML is the most important technology, and this is the initial step for improving your knowledge. So this is about HTML5. In this video, just I am giving you overview of each and every technology. In my next lectures, I will give you detailed lectures of each and every technology. Okay, so next, CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. Using this technology, you can make your website as your expected layout and coloring and other beautifying things. So you can apply your styles to HTML in 3 ways. Those are inline styles, internal styles, external styles, Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4. So these two are CSS3 libraries. So why I need to use these two libraries? Already CSS is there, but why I need to use these two libraries? That's a question. So if you have any requirement in your website, for that you need to create any class or any ID selector, any tag selector. Based on the selector, you need to create a class and you need to apply specific styles to a particular element. If you have any requirement in your website that is already there in Bootstrap CSS, just you know which class is suitable to your requirement, you need to find it first, then you need to use those classes in your website. And the main usage of Bootstrap is the responsiveness. Responsive means your website is able to fit in all devices. Like here I am showing you guys, this is a small scale device and medium scale devices and large scale devices. So all mobile phones are small scale devices and tablets are medium scale devices, some laptops, and all desktops are large scale devices. Okay, if you have this Bootstrap library in your file, in your HTML, then it will automatically fit the interface to device. That's the main usage of Bootstrap 3 and 4. Some classes are different from Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4. Okay, so usage is same, some classes and some extra additional features added in Bootstrap 4. JavaScript is client-side scripting language. It will validate the client-side validations. Using with this JavaScript, we can develop the dynamic content on the web page, and we can create dynamic drop-downs, pop-ups like that. So as of now, we know something about HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 3 and 4. So these are the designing technologies. Now using with JavaScript, you need to develop on your web page. If you have only HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap on your profile, then your profile is suitable for UI designer role in a company. If you have JavaScript and any JavaScript frameworks along with these designing technologies, then your profile is suitable to UI developer roles. jQuery is a JavaScript library. That means ready-made functionality is there in jQuery library. You need to use based on the requirement on the web page. In JavaScript, based on requirement, you have to create your own functionality and you have to apply it your own. But here, you no need to do like that. Just you need to know what are the existing functionalities, those have requirements in your website. That is the usage of jQuery. AngularJS. AngularJS is a JavaScript framework. We can create single page application with this framework. Single page application means I'm going to show you a practical example for that. So this is Amazon. So here this is a nav bar. When I click on any link on Amazon, then you just observe here page reloading will happen. So this is multi-page application. So single page means here I am open AngularJS org.in. So when I click on any link, page reloading will never happen. That is the main difference between single page and multi-page application. Angular 2. Angular 2 is completely rewritten platform for building mobile and desktop applications. In Angular 2, they developed with TypeScript instead of JavaScript. TypeScript is the object-oriented programming language. With this Angular 2, we can create single-page application. Already I shown you guys what is single-page application and what is multi-page applications. So these technical stacks is mandatory for each and every front-end developer. So already I discussed about AngularJS 1.x, right? Already that is there for creating single page application, and again I am using Angular 2 plus for creating single page applications. Why I need to use Angular 2? Already it is there, right, in AngularJS 1.x. That's a question we need to raise. Okay, so the drawback of AngularJS is it is not mobile compatible. Because of this reason, nowadays almost 70 to 80% companies are migrating to Angular 2 plus from AngularJS 1.x. Okay, if you observed AngularJS 1.x and Angular 2 plus any version, the development structure means concepts, everything is same. Routing related, component related, directives related, services related, everything is same, but they are using TypeScript in it. And AngularJS is control based, Angular 2 plus is component based. Of course we can create component in AngularJS also. So this technical stack is mandatory for each and every front-end developer, and this technical stack is helpful to grow your technical and financial standards. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I will upload my lectures related to each and every technology. So subscribe and turn on the notification for my latest videos. Thank you guys.